Okay, hello everybody and welcome to Himeji City in Hyogo Prefecture. And as you can see, it's a very beautiful Sunday afternoon and we are very far away from central Himeji. No castles, no train stations, just mountains and very pure nature. And so today we're going to take a walk. First of all, we are here just beside this factory. What is it?
Yamasa蒲鉾.
Yamasa蒲鉾
factory.
Yeah, so they make kind of seafood, different types of like Japanese seafood paste, kind of like chikuwa and kamaboko and other things like that. So we are here today for the Shibazakura, or pink moss in English, and they have a very nice pink moss garden. And it's very, very big, and it's full bloom, maybe? Very close. And as you can see, there are different varieties of pink moss. It's not just pink. There's also kind of purple, violet, and white. It's just a beautiful setting here. Up in the mountains with the blue sky.
Beautiful day.
Very beautiful day. And normally they light it up. You can see they have the lights here. And normally they light it up at night, but with the coronavirus, it's only in the daytime. Of course, they're asking people to social distance and wear a mask. You can see here. They took our temperature before we came in, and we had hand sanitizer.
And it's free here.
Yeah, and the best part about it, it's free. I think maybe they have buses that come here, but definitely the most convenient way is by car. And in my opinion, I think the pink moss may be some of the most underrated flowers of Japan. Maybe even some Japanese don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
Of course, the cherry blossoms, plum blossoms, the autumn leaves get a lot of attention.
Wow. That's beautiful.
Yeah, just really, really beautiful. So these are usually in bloom from around mid-April until mid-May. About 1 month. And we were driving here, and we could see this from about a mile away, about 1.5 kilometers away. We could see these pink moss from really far away. It was a really beautiful sight to see from a distance. Yeah, these are the mascots of this factory. Sachan is the name of that girl on the left. Of course, there's a fish. It's all connected to the factory. It's kind of weird to see a huge fish. Yeah, and there's a pretty good view of the factory. Yeah, a crab. And of course, they're selling all their food here. People are lining up to get it for lunch. Yeah, the way the sunlight is coming in off of these white. It's really, really bright. I like that touch of purple.
Accent.
Just an accent. There are several bees flying around. A lot of people are jumping out of the way to avoid the bees. So probably the number one most famous place in Japan to see the pink moss is over by Mount Fuji. And they have a really big festival there. And you can see a very big field of pink moss, and in the background, of course, Mount Fuji. And then there's another place in Saitama Prefecture, Chichibu, in that area. They have a very big, famous pink moss kind of festival. So anyway, here's the view here from the end. Of course here, the really bright white pink moss. And then of course in the distance, the different colors and varieties. The blue sky and the forest and the mountains. Just really, really beautiful. So again, in Japanese, this is called Shibazakura, or pink moss in English. And very, very beautiful. So anyway, the next place is about 400 meters away, about a quarter of a mile away. We're going to walk over there, and they have a big plaza called芝桜広場, the pink moss plaza. We're going to go over there and look around. So we'll see you when we get there. Okay, see ya. Okay, so here we are in the pink moss plaza, I guess you could call it. In Japanese, the Shibazakura Hiroba. And here you can see in the corner, this is the mascot, Sachan.
Sachan.
Yeah, Sachan.
Yamasa蒲鉾のSachan.
Thank you, yes. So we're just going to take a little walk here around the plaza. You can enjoy the beautiful music in the background. Pink moss music.
What's music?
So you can see they've got some benches over here. Sit in the shade and enjoy the view. You can smell it. Yeah? Yeah, super nice. Different colors.
Not only pink.
White moss, pink moss, purple moss. Wow.
Pretty.
Really nice. Look at this. This white. It's almost blinding. Yeah, with the mountains and the beautiful blue sky. Some of the purple more purple. Okay, so that's it. That's the Pink Moss Plaza, I guess you could call it, right here, with the beautiful music in the background. So anyway, we'll see you in a few minutes. See ya. Okay, so now we are back in the parking lot just outside the factory. Here you can see the name of the factory, Yamasa蒲鉾. Okay, yeah, factory. So again, a few things to see here just outside the factory. And right here they actually have a foot bath, like a hot spring, so you can take your shoes off and put your feet in, take a rest for a little bit. And then here's like a souvenir shop. Okay, you can buy some food and some souvenirs. Yeah, especially the food here from this factory. And then there's a food truck there. Looks like a lot of people are eating a corn dog, maybe. And then of course the main thing to see here today is that. And that is the pink moss garden that we just walked around. And again, you could see it from really far away. As you can see, it's up on the mountain. And it can be seen from pretty far away. So there it is. That's the pink moss garden here in Himeji City, in Hyogo Prefecture. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Do you have a message?
Yes, it was a really beautiful day and see the beautiful pink moss,芝桜. I enjoy a lot. We enjoy a lot. We hope you enjoy too.
Yeah, in Japanese?
ここは山佐かまぼこ工場です。姫路にあるところで芝桜の小道が無料で開放されてます。よかったらいらしてください。
Okay, anyway, so this is a free place that you can come to visit. So if you can just get here, once you get here, you can walk around and enjoy the pink moss for free, and then maybe get some snacks and enjoy the local food here. So anyway, we were very lucky to have some really, really beautiful weather, blue skies, and of course the beautiful mountains in the area. So it's a very beautiful place to come, and it might be really nice in different times of the season, different times of the year. We also saw some areas for Fujidana, for Fuji, for wisteria.
Some people say
Ajisai, the hydrangea. So anyway, lots of flowers here. If you're interested in that, this is a good place to come, maybe at different times of the year. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click like down below, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be making more videos about the different flowers of spring. I've already made several videos about the cherry blossoms and the plum blossoms. And more videos will be coming soon, hopefully. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.